Imagine this. Your customer just came from a dream vacation. They open their phones, scroll through photos, and think,
I should make a photo book.
but then comes the hardest part, choosing which photos to use. Dozens, sometimes hundreds of images, different places, people, lighting, and suddenly something that sounded fun starts to feel like work. Which ones to include? Which ones tell the story best? Which one good enough to print? That's the moment when many people quietly give up, saying,
I will do it later.
and never coming back. That's why we built AI-based Smart Creation, a solution designed to help your customer go through
I should make a photo book.
to actually holding one in their hands. It starts with uploading photos. Our algorithm analyzes them and picks the best ones, the ones worth printing. Then, based on metadata, date, location, it groups them into chapters. It builds a logical story, not a sequence of images. And finally, it places them in a professionally designed layout. What your customer sees is not an empty page. It's a ready-made photo book waiting for final touches. We've seen customers saving up to 70% of their time using Smart Creation. No design skills? It doesn't matter. No idea where to start? We take care of it. This is just one way that AI helps remove barriers. From generating product designs to creating engaging layouts, personalization at scale is no longer wishful thinking. It's here, it's working, and it's growing really fast.